Okay.
Okay, good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon.
First thing I'm going to do is tell everybody don't take your books out, just follow me, watch me, okay? We're going to talk about where we are, and you're going to tell me what the children are doing, okay? So first of all, I will help you. You don't answer me, you just listen, and I'll give you a chance later. So first of all, I'm going to tell everybody, this is the school, and the children are going to school. They are not going home, okay? So, some people are going to school by bus, okay? They go to school by bus. She's running to school. They are walking to school. The teacher is saying hello, and they are saying hello, okay? They are greeting each other. So, that's what we're going to do there. This boy is riding a bike to school. I might stop and say to somebody, who can ride a bike? Can you ride a bike? Put your hands up, okay? Some of them understand, they come from kindergarten. Some of them are in kindergarten, and some don't even know ABC, okay? Then I'm going to say, bus. These children went to school by bus. Who goes to school by bus? Put up your hands. Obviously no one, okay? Do you know how do you go to school? Do you go on a bicycle? Do you go by bus? Do you walk to school? Can anyone tell me how they go to school?
I walk to school.
Car, walk, scooter. Okay, I'll give you all a chance. So this is what we can see. Now we're going to see what is different. Who can tell me what's different? Okay, let's see. Walking, running. Walking, running. Riding, riding. Okay. And girls and boys. Okay. So now I'm going to give everybody a chance to, and then maybe I'll ask the students to stand up. And you can come one by one and touch the board and tell me what you see. Okay. So you can stand up. Get a student who wants to do it. You want to try? You can stand up and you can touch somewhere and say, teacher, student, okay, bus, and let the students come and touch and say what they see, okay. Then I'm going to ask somebody, I'm going to say, everybody, one of these students is riding a bicycle. Who would like to come and circle on the bicycle for me, okay? So who would like to come? Nobody? Somebody? Okay. You can circle the bicycle. Right, everybody. Now you can take out your books. Everybody open your book, take your pencil, and circle the bicycle. Okay, the boy is riding a bicycle. Everybody say it together with me. He is riding a bicycle.
He is riding a bicycle.
The students are going to school. The
Students are going to school.
Okay, everyone? Good. Now close your books again and follow me. Okay, everybody, they are, who can tell me, where are they? In the classroom. And they are doing art. And I don't always expect an answer from them. They're grade 1, they don't know. So I have to give them the answer and lead them on. Okay, so let's see. What are they doing, everyone? They are painting. And when do you paint? English class, Chinese class, or art class?
Art
Okay.
class.
Who likes art class? Everyone put up your hand. Who likes art class? And I like art class. And let's see, they are painting pictures. We can see, who can tell me what picture did she paint? What can you see here? Sun, cloud, and water. Who can tell me what's her picture of?
A house.
A house. And what's her picture of?
Heart,
Sun and
sunflowers.
a heart. Okay, so everybody, we're going to learn some of the things that you do at school. What you do at school, okay? So we're going to see here. We paint, we Be painting. Art class. Art class. Okay, wait. Say with me. Paint.
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 Read.
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 Sing.
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 Dance. I
Dance.
say dance. You can say dance. Dance.
Dance.
Dance. You choose which one you want. Okay, everybody, we're going to paint. Put your hand up. Who likes to paint at school? Everybody say, I like to paint.
I like to paint.
Read. Read. Who likes to read?
Nobody.
I like to read. Sing. Sing. Who likes to sing?
I like to sing.
Dance. Dance. Who likes to dance? Go.
I like to dance.
Everybody, let's follow the rules. I'm going to teach you these words one more time and you say it with me. Okay, let's go. Paint.
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 Read.
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 Sing.
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 Dance.
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 Still strange, I say dance. Okay, now I'm going to go. This I will do at the end because I don't want it to take a long time drawing. I will move on. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to play a little game with everybody, okay?
I think that you can set like 2 minutes to let them to draw.
That's why I do it at the end.
Ah.
Because someone's going to erase it, someone's going to need help. So, okay, everybody, I'm going to write the words here and I'll play a quick game. Okay, let's go. What was the first one? Everybody going to say paint.
Paint.
Paint. And the next one? Read. Read. And the next one?
Sing.
Sing. Sing. And the last one?
Dance.
Dance. Okay. I'll get 3 people. Make a line here. I'll show you what I'm going to do. Okay. So come 1, 2, 3. Who wants to come? Okay. I like the tall one in the front, so the short ones at the back use the game. I'm joking. Okay. You make a line, one line, and you're going to a straight line.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. And I'm going to say the word, and you must jump,
Ah.
and you're going to choose a winner. Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Paint. Sing. Dance. Read. Dance. Dance. Okay, and I'll play a game like that. Okay?
Yeah.
All right. Okay. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
And then I'll go back. Sometimes you've got to make them active. Once they've been sitting for a long time, they get all fidgety and everything. You do a little game, and then they can sit down and relax again. Okay, so this part I will leave for later, near the end of the lesson. I don't do it now. And just before I turn the page, we're going to go one more time. Everybody's go paint,
Paint.
read,
Read.
sing,
Sing.
dance,
Dance.
dance. Okay. Right, everybody, we're going to learn the short A sound. Okay, the short A. We all know when we learn A, A. Okay, the A sound. So we can just listen now.
Fun. Short A. The letter A
I don't slow it
and
down
make the short
sometimes
A
for them.
sound
Okay, not
and
too
count.
much. Okay, now what I learned from Korean people, you can close your eyes and just listen. Okay, close your eyes, just listen.
Axe. Can. Sad.
I don't want to
Fan.
go through it all at the
Cat.
time. Okay.
Jam.
Okay, everyone, I'm not
Hand.
going to go through it. You all understand.
Brand.
Okay.
Map.
Right, so what I do is I just slow it down a bit for them. Okay, that's regular speed. Right, now I'm going to just do, we're going to just do a little chant for each word, okay? We're going to go X, 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 can, can, sad, 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 sad. I'll go through it like that, okay? Someone do it all, okay? Then we're going to read this, and okay, I'll slow it down.
Nan ran back to the mat. Nan sat on the mat.
Right, everybody, and we're going to just read this. Let's go. Nan ran back
Nan ran back
to the mat.
to the mat.
We can chant again, we can go. Nan ran back
Nan ran back
to the mat.
to the mat.
Nan ran back to the mat.
Nan ran back to the mat.
Nan sat on Nan sat on. Nan sat on. Nan sat on the mat.
The mat.
Nan sat on the mat.
Nan sat on the mat.
And we try to do it all together. Ready? But remember the period, we take a breath. Okay? Ready? Go. Nan ran back to the mat. Breathe. Period. Stop. And again. Nan sat on the mat. Nan sat on the mat. Okay. Now we're going to read a story later, everybody. We're going to read a story about Jack Kent. Okay. But before we read that story, we got some words here. Okay. When we read the story, see if you can see these words in the story. Okay. So if you see the word, you can put up your hand and say, Teacher, I see Jack. Teacher, I see Ken. Okay. Right. So we're gonna look. Let's go. Jack.
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 Ken.
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 Max.
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 Sad.
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 Nan.
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 So remember, when we read the story, if you see these words, you put up your hand and you show me the word. Okay. Right, page 8. I'm not going to teach does and do confuse the students now. Okay, so I'm just going to teach. Let's go. Does.
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 Words to know.
Okay. Okay, this.
Does. What does Dan do? What does your friend do with you? Not. Do not run in school. Name some places you do not like to go.
Okay, leave do the question until we end. Okay, I'm going to do too much right now. Everybody, let's go. Does.
Does.
Does. What does Dan do? What does Dan do? Who can tell me what is Dan doing? He is writing. Can you write?
Yes.
Good. What does Dan do? Dan writes. He writes. You can write. Okay, let's go. Not.
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 Everybody, look at the word not and say, what's that say?
No.
No. No. We don't say do not run in school. We say do not run in school. Okay. Remember you learned I can, I cannot. I do not. We don't say I do not. Okay. Not. Do not run in school. Do not run in school. Not is don't do it. Do not. Okay. Right. Now, can you run in school?
No.
Can you run in the classroom?
No.
Okay, school has many rules. Okay, so many things we do not do, we cannot do. Not. Right. What does your friend do with you? I don't make them right, just talk. Right. Who can tell me? Who can tell me? What does your friend do with you? What do you do with your friends? Do you play with your friends?
Yes.
You talk to your friends?
Eat.
You eat with your friends? Okay, and sometimes I'll take this out and then I
That
can.
would be better.
Yeah.
They were more like
Yeah.
participating.
The thing is, I have to, when this first lesson, I'm only learning what students can speak and can't speak, and who's shy and who's outgoing, because it's the first lesson.
Yeah.
So I'll try and encourage him with this, or just say, well done, good job. Okay, everybody, let's go. Not.
Not.
Name some places you do not like to go. Where don't you like to go? A place. Okay, name some places. Not food, not animals, a place. Do you like to go to school? Say, I do not like to go to school. Okay. Do you like to go to the park? Then you like to go to the park. Do you like to go shopping?
Yes.
Oh my goodness. Okay, so only one place you do not like to go, school. Grandmother's house. Okay. And here we go, ladies and gentlemen. I'll give you 40 points. Okay. The floor is yours.
Oh, you done? something small actually. Oh, okay. I am 14 and 50. Let me see this one. It feels like this should look different. See if it works. Okay, it works. Okay, here we go. Okay, hello everyone.
Hi.
Okay, so today should I start from the beginning of the story? I thought he was gonna go up until
I sent you page 8.
12, so I was wondering if I should start
Because I just want
here.
want you to show the fine text evidence.
Okay.
So like how to teach that.
Then let's just start from this one. Where did that sound from? Okay, so we are going to learn about a story called Jack Can. Everybody say Jack Can.
Jack Can.
Okay, so can you tell me what can you see in this picture? Boys.
Teachers.
How many boys do you see?
Two boys.
Do you see anybody else in the pictures?
Yes.
Girls. What are the girls doing?
Reading.
One of them is reading. What is the other one doing?
Watching.
Maybe looking at the book. Okay? And what are the boys doing? Painting. Who likes to paint? What are they painting? What do you think they are painting?
Themselves.
Themselves. What do you like to paint?
Views.
Yourself? Views?
Sunset. Yes.
Oh, like views, like sunset or something like that, right? Or maybe you like trees or flowers. Yeah. Okay. So we're gonna look for words with the short A sound, like ah. Everybody say ah. Ah. Like cat. Cat. Okay. So I should have played it. Where's the playing thing?
Max can draw. Jack can paint.
Good. So everyone say Max can draw. Max can draw. And Jack can paint. Jack can paint. So who do you think is Max?
The boy in the blue.
Good. The boy with the blue t-shirt. And who is Jack?
The boy in the yellow.
Orange and yellow.
Yeah, the orange yellow shirt. This boy right here. So this story is about, who is this story about? Max or Jack? Right, it's about Jack. So you're gonna have to look at Jack in the story, okay, to see what he's doing.
What about I put my hand up, so I recognize the word Jack before I had you find those 4 words.
Oh
I
yeah,
see Jack teacher.
yeah. Or points. Yeah. Okay, so words with a short A sound, like cat. Do you see any words like that here? Max. Everybody say Max. Any other words? Good. Max can. Any other words? Jack and can. Okay. So what you will do now is you will circle these words. So everybody circle Max. Okay? Good. And then can. And then Jack. And then can. Okay? So you will circle them in your books. Okay? Good. Now, for this question, this is Max, right? So, what can Max do? Draw or paint. Okay? Yeah, draw. I think the difference is that I think with drawing and painting, drawing is like pencil and painting is more in color, right? Right. So he's using a lot of color here, and he has some paint here. So let's say paints. Okay? So everybody say Jack. No, not Jack. Max can paint. Max can paint. Good. And now he was draw. That's funny. Okay, so now you can draw. You can write he can draw here. Okay? But for me, I would have just write paint here. instead. Okay? So he can draw. Okay? You finish writing. Now for the question. What does Max draw? What is he drawing? We talked about it before. What is he drawing?
Himself.
Good. Himself. Well, one student might say, Max is drawing Max. Right? Yeah. Good. So he is drawing himself. Now, circle what he is drawing. Okay? So circle what he is drawing. Good. So he is drawing himself. Now, what's his name again?
Jack.
Good. And what can Jack do? Paint or draw, yeah. So Jack can paint, right? So Max and Jack, they can both paint, right? So now you can also write he can paint.
He can paint.
He can paint.
He can paint.
So you write this in your books, okay? Now, what can Jack paint?
Himself.
Himself too. Good. And now you will circle what Jack is painting. Okay, is everyone finished? Good. I think I have to go to 20. Okay, let's listen.
Nan helps Jack. Jack likes school.
Okay, so what can you see in this picture? Jack and we'll say a girl because I don't think they mentioned the girl name before, right? So Jack and a girl. And what is this girl's name?
Nan.
Good. Her name is Nan. Okay. And what is Jack doing in this picture?
Writing.
Good. He is writing. Okay. So what do you think he's writing? Let's try and read. Everybody say we like and something. Can anyone guess what he's trying to write?
School.
School. So he's trying to write we like school. Yeah, but before he had a problem, he couldn't reach to write. And now, what?
Nan helps Jack.
Now, what did Nan do?
Helps Jack
Help
with
the
school.
Yeah. So she helped Jack by giving Jack a stool. So he can
Reach.
right, so he can reach. Okay, so we're gonna look for words again that has a short A, like cat. Do you see any words like that?
Nan.
Nan, good. Any other words?
Jack.
Good. What about over here?
Jack.
Good. So we'll circle these words. Okay? So where is the word school? Did anybody find the word school? In the reading, yeah. But yeah, this is 1, 2. But we're looking for it in the reading. Okay, so here it is, school. So I want you to underline. Underline, you draw a line under it. Okay, like this. Good. So, we already answered. So we already answered how does Nan help Jack? We said she gave him a stool so he can reach. So now you're going to circle that stool. What color is it?
Green.
Good, it is green. So you're going to circle the green stool. Right? And now, Jack. Everybody say Jack.
Jack.
Likes school.
Likes school.
Jack likes school.
Jack likes school.
Do you like school?
No.
Oh, so what do you like?
I like my home.
Home. Okay. Good. But Jack likes school. So, how does Jack's face look? Does he look
Happy.
sad, angry? How does he look?
Happy.
Good. So he looks happy, right? What makes you happy? No school. Anything else? What makes you happy?
Food.
Like Jack. Good. Eating makes you happy, like Jack. But school makes Jack happy. Huh? Okay. And what does Jack like?
School. He likes school.
Good. He likes school. So you can write Jack likes school. Okay? Good. There we go. There we go. Okay, so now we're gonna answer some questions. We finished reading. Can you see from there?
Yes.
Oh. Yeah, students always sit behind me like that. And like, can you see it? Like, yes. And then I see it. Okay. So the first question: who cannot reach? Who cannot reach? Is it Jack or Max? Good. Jack cannot reach. And we have to find what page this is on, okay? So we usually tell them to go back and try and find the page. And one student will say, oh teacher, page 17, okay? So it's on page 17, we saw Jack cannot reach. Now, who helps Jack? Remember, someone helps Jack with the green stool, right?
Yes.
Who was it? Max or Nan? Good, it was Nan. So you circle Nan and write her name here. And what page did we do this on? It was page 20. Okay? Good. Now, what does Jack like? What does he like? Good. So school or chair? Good. So Jack likes school. So you circle school and write it here. Okay? And we saw that on page 21. Good. Yeah, I think this is in relation to this one. Okay. So, we read in the story. Who did we see in the story? Can you tell me the name of the people that we saw in the story? Max, Jack, and Nat. Okay? Who could be a real person? Like, who could be in this class? Good. Jack. Anybody else? Jack and Max. Okay? So you can write Jack and Max. Good. And what could really happen? So they were drawing, they were painting, they were reaching. What could you do in, say this is AG1. What could you do in AG1 that they were doing? Draw. You can draw here. Anything else that you can do? Write or paint. Good. So you can draw or paint. So I would probably write I can draw a picture or I can paint, something like that. I don't think I would write Max can. But yeah, so Max, everybody say Max can draw a picture. And Jack can paint a picture. Right, so this is something that you could do yourself. You could draw a picture and you could paint a picture, right?
Yes.
Okay. I think that's it for me. What page is this? What page is this? Anybody know?
15, in the big red, the big bold red.
This page is not 15, this is going back to 15. Oh, I think this page is. Okay, let's just do this one just in case. Okay. So now look at the picture. This is Jack. So what can Jack do? Jack can
Paint.
good, remember. Good job. Jack can paint, right? And usually I will have the oral cards here and I will ask the students to raise their hand and say, what can Jack do? Raise your hand and then if you say paint, then I'll give you it and then you write. Okay. Now, cannot reach. So this person cannot reach. And who is it? Is it Nan or Jack? Good. So Jack cannot reach. Okay, so we write Jack. Very good. And blank helps blank. So who helps who? Nan helps. Good. Nan helps Jack. Okay, very good. So you understand the story. Good job. I think that's it for me. Thank you.
So, any questions so far?
This thing is not bad. The system where you have to
PowerPoint?
Yeah, it's not bad, is it?
Yeah, there's the answer, so that
It could be
you
faster.
don't have to write the answer again.
I'm still learning.
And basically, we will ask the student to speak out before they start to write.
Yeah.
So you can ask them to put down their pencils, anyway. Just ask them to read it first. Yes. And after read, ask them to write down.
Sometimes, like HE1, I don't like to see the print because I've had some students who try to write the A like they see the
Oh,
A
yeah.
print there. So I
A,
usually write
yeah.
myself and I write it a lot bigger. And then
Yeah,
like you look
yeah.
at the J, start learning to
Yeah,
write
if
J
you
like
need
that.
it, yeah, you could just
Yeah.
write it again. And please tell them that A is not like this.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, and they can write the A like this.
Underneath retail Jack and this correct.
And now every teacher into turns and going on to do demonstration. Okay. 那你要用那种用老鼠哦，OK，
I don't volunteer once.
No volunteers.
Uh,
Only Jen, Jensen, and
yeah.
Ashley.
Jem, Ashley.
Bathroom.
Vincent, where is she?
I think she's in the bathroom.
Or do you want
And
to
her
take
sister
over?
instead.
Okay.
What page?
Start from 2 to 8.
This one?
Can I use this?
Yeah. Use that
Or the PPT?
PPT PowerPoint. Yeah. 2 to 8.
I don't know how to use
This
this.
one
So
next.
just click.
This one.
Start from
Is that two?
page.
Yeah.
Yeah, start from this page.
Okay.
Okay, hello everyone. Everybody say hello, Teacher Jam.
Hello, Teacher Jam.
So today we're learning Unit 1, Getting to Know Us. So what can you see in the picture? What can you see? Can you tell me what can you see in the picture?
School.
School. What else you can see in the picture? A bus. So what do you think is he doing? Okay, everybody say he is riding a bike.
He is riding a bike.
What about her? What do you think is she doing? She is what?
Running.
Very
She
good.
is running.
Yes, everybody say she is running.
She is running.
What about here? What do you think are they doing? They are going to
School.
Very good. What about them? What do you think are they doing? Going to school. They go by bus, or they just walk, or they ride a bike.
Bus.
They go by bus. What about him? What do you think is he doing? He is going also to
School.
school. And what do you think is happening with him? He is in the wheelchair, and that makes him special. Who is she? Yes, she is a teacher. Okay, so why do you think they are different?
Teachers mean and the students are happy.
Yes, and they have different colors, and their skin color, they are different in terms of their eyes. These have, what color of eyes does she have?
Black.
What about them? They have
Blue.
blue eyes. What about their hair? Is her hair curly or straight?
Curly.
Yes. What about them? Their hair is straight. Okay. How many boys you can see in the picture?
1, 2, 3, 4.
There are.
5. Huh?
Hey, one of the pink back, I want to know.
Yeah, it looks like that.
Confusing.
Okay, everybody say there are 4 boys.
There are 4 boys.
What about the girls? How many girls you can see in the picture? 4.
Oh,
Five
the
girls.
Everybody say there are 5 girls.
There are 5 girls.
What about the bus? What color is the bus?
Yellow.
Say, everybody say the bus is yellow.
The bus is yellow.
Do you go to school by bus?
No.
Okay, say no, I don't.
No, I don't.
Do you walk to school?
Yes, I do.
Say yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
Do you run going to school?
No.
Say no, I don't.
No, I don't.
Do you ride a bike going to school?
No, I don't.
Say no, I don't.
No, I
Teacher,
don't.
is this a bike?
No, this is what you call wheelchair. Everybody say wheelchair.
Wheelchair.
Very good. Okay, what is the teacher doing? What do you think is she doing? She is grading the students or waving her hand. Okay, you can write here waving her hand. Okay, how do you go to school? Same question. Do you go to school riding a bike? Do you walk to school? Okay, it's the same question. How are they similar and different from you? What do you think? How are they similar or different from you?
Different. They have been upset.
Oh, where?
Question, what are your favorite things to do when you do with them? Because I don't use the PowerPoint presentation, so I don't ask these questions. I just ask them
So
simple.
next time, yeah, from now on, maybe you could try to.
We need to use this.
Yeah, or add more questions.
But is there a question in their book? I think question.
No, that is for overall understanding.
Oh, okay.
It's a part
It's
of
better to
the
use this, gives you, helps you more, I think.
Yeah.
That's good, and how you use it, yeah.
Okay, what are your favorites to do? Favorite things to do
Because
when you
sometimes I don't think the student understands what you
Yeah.
say, right?
Yeah.
Maybe you can give them some options.
Okay. What do you like to do at school? Do you like to read at school? Do you like to play at school? Do you like to write at school? Or do you like to draw at school? Who likes to play at school? Raise your hand. Say, I like to play at school.
I like to play at school.
Who likes to draw at school? Say, I like to draw at school.
I like to draw at school.
Who likes to paint at school? Say,
I
I like to paint at school. Who likes to dance at school?
like to dance at school.
Okay, so I asked those questions. So I already asked these questions earlier. Circle the boy. Okay, can you tell me where is the boy riding a bike? There. Okay, you can circle the boy riding a bike. Okay, talk about how the children. Okay, I already asked this question earlier. Okay, so where do you think are they? Are they at home or at school?
At school.
Very good. Everybody say they are at school.
They are at school.
Okay, what do you think are they doing? Yes, they are painting. Do you like to paint? Say no, I don't.
No, I
Your
don't.
answer is yes. Say yes, I do.
Yes, I
Okay,
do.
what do you like to paint? Say I like to paint.
I like to play.
What do you like to paint? Do you like to paint a sun, clouds? What do you like to paint?
A cat.
Cat. What else do you like to paint?
This,
The sun. Anybody else? What do you like to paint?
Myself.
Yourself. What do you think is he painting here? He's painting he.
She.
She.
That's a girl.
Oh, what do you think is she painting here? Sun, clouds, and
Water.
water. What about here? What do you think is she painting here? A house. What about here?
big
She
red
paints
house.
a cloud, sun, write making art at school. Have you done this before? Have you painted in school? Yes or no? Say yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
Okay, question, what do you do at school? Do you paint? Do you draw? Do you dance? What do you do at school?
Weekly concept. At school. Essential question. What do you do at your school?
What do you do at your school?
Study English.
Study English. What else? Do you do art at school?
Yes.
Do you play at school?
Yes.
Do you sing at school?
Yes.
Do you dance at school? Okay, you can write your answer. It's different. Okay, this word, paint. Everybody say paint. Okay, normally here I'll ask them, what is the sound of P's? They will say P. What is the sound of AI? And I will write down the rules like A space E, A-I-A-Y. And what is the sound of N? And what is the sound of T? Okay, everybody, let's read all together. Paint.
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 Okay, next word, read. Everybody say read.
Read.
I'll ask them, what is the sound of R? E-A, what is the sound of E-A?
E.
And I will write down the rule E space E-E-A-E-Y-Y. And what is the sound of D? Okay, let's read all together. Read.
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 The next word, what is the sound of S? What is the sound of I? What is the sound of NG? Let's read all together. Sing.
Sing.
Sing. The
Sing.
next word, what is the sound of D? What is the sound of A? What is the sound of N? Okay, what is the sound of C here? The sound of C here is S. We will read this as S. Dance. Everybody say dance.
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 Okay, what do you like to do at school? You can draw or write what you like to do at school. For example, you like to draw. You need to draw yourself drawing. What do you like to do at school? You can do like painting, singing, or dancing. For example, what do you like to do at school? Jensen, what do you like to do at school?
I like to draw.
Okay, you can draw or write here. You like to draw. What do you like to do at school?
Nothing. Play.
Okay, you can draw here to play. TJ, what do you like to do at school?
Eat.
Okay, you can draw here that you are eating. Okay, let's learn about short A.
Short A. The letter A can make the short A sound in pack.
Okay, short A. What is the sound of A?
Short A. The letter A can make the short A sound in pack.
Okay, everybody say A.
A.
A. Okay, short A sound in pack. Everybody say pack.
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 Okay, let's listen first.
Axe, can, sad, fan, hat, jam, ham.
Okay, here I asked them to stand up and they need to read it one by one. So after reading this, I will ask them to stand up, and if they want to read, they will raise their hand, and if they're finished, they can sit down.
Axe,
Okay.
can, sad,
Okay, let's read all together. Axe.
Axe.
Can.
Can.
Sad.
Sad.
Fan.
Fan.
Hat.
Hat.
Jam.
Jam.
Pan.
Pan.
Ran.
Ran.
Nap.
Nap.
Tap.
Tap.
Back.
Back.
Wag.
Wag.
Okay, let's try it all together. Everybody stand up. Okay, I'll ask them who can read all these words, and you can stand up. Or you can just read. Who can read this? Okay, you can sit down. Who can read this word?
Sad.
You can sit down. Who can read this?
Sad.
Okay, you can sit down. Who can read this? Very good. Who can read this?
Hat.
Good. Who can read this? Who can read this?
Jam.
Very good. You can sit down. Who can read this? Very good. Who can read this? Sit down. Who can read this? Okay, who can read this? Last word.
this, that.
Okay, very good.
Nan ran back to the mat. Nan sat on the mat.
Okay, when it comes to this, I ask them to read the sentence first. We will read it. Everybody, let's read all together. Nan
Nan
ran
Nan ran back to the mat. Nan sat on the mat.
I don't know what happened. Okay, let's read one more time. Nan ran back to the mat. Nan sat on the mat. Okay, who is she? What is her name? She is Nan. Okay, what is Nan doing? She is reading. Is she reading? Yes. Where is she sitting? She is sitting on the mat. What color do you think is the mat? Yes, it is blue. And I will ask them to read again one more time. Nan ran, everybody, Nan ran back to the mat. Nan sat on the mat.
Your turn. Look for these words with short A in Jack can. Jack, can, Max, sad, Nan.
Okay, so let's read this first so we can familiarize it when we read the book. When we read the story. Okay, let's read everybody. Jack, can, Max, sad, Nan. Okay, if you remember these words, you can raise your hand when we read the
Your
story.
turn. Look for these words with short A in Jack can. Your
Teacher, should I do this?
No. Thank you. The next time, this time. Okay. Thank you guys. And we'll go to the next part, demonstration, next time. Right, Esther? Next demonstration will be next time. Yes. We don't have much time. We don't have enough time. Yeah.
Next time, then we Jason
Thank you. And next time will be on June 27th, I think. Yeah, I will